Okay, so I am starting to anchor the wire to the loom. Not sure if you can really see it very well, but this particular copper wire, again, is gold plated, and it's really thin. It's really fine, as you can see. And I am just tying the one end, wrapping it around the screw on the end, or the nail on the end, and I'm gonna try to wrap it around here. Okay. As tight as possible. I want this to be tight. Handy dandy snippers here. Oop, unraveled. I really don't want that. Now, they tell me this was supposed to be like 20 meters of wire. I'm not really sure what the actual measurements are for this, but that's what they say. Okay, so now the problem that's probably not going to be a good angle. Okay. Preparation. Well, it is kind of loose. Not as tight as I would have liked. I may have to fix that. Okay. So as you can see, it's not extremely tight. I'm gonna have to weave, which that may be preferable actually. That way I could just spread it out a little bit and weave it through. So, but I'm not sure if you can see from this view, but his sun hits it at certain angles, it has a really nice shine to it. So, let us continue on in our adventure. Okay, so so that one looks pretty good. The first one not as good, but the second one has some decent separation. Almost looks like some guitar strings almost. Maybe that's what I'm doing. I'm strumming my guitar that I am going to play. The only problem with doing this is a very labor-intensive process. It is. But this wire looks like I'm trying not to allow this to come off the spool because I don't want the wire to get kinked up as it's starting to do. Okay. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure if this is actually 20 meters of wire. So this is a dead soft wire. Okay, so I got 4 of those on here, and you might be able to start to see what it looks like. Certain angles in the sun makes it look real nice. I mean, it's relatively tight. I guess as tight as it's gonna be. Okay. We shall press on. So this is about 3 feet. 3, 6. Well, it's not actually. Looks like I'm missing a nail. Don't tell me I strung that up wrong. So I got 6 out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.